Good day, I am Mervin Canoy. I'm here to explain what is MMM. Now, what is MMM? MMM is international. MMM is neither a company nor a business. MMM does not hold any funds from participants, or participants also do not take funds from MMM. Therefore, it does not go bankrupt. MMM, there is no boss, no owner. MMM is not any kind of business. It does not accordingly possess a personal account, render any services, and enter into legal relations with anybody. The goals of MMM: help all people in the world, spread the money among people so that they gain financial freedom, creating a new, fair financial relationship among people. The foremost ideology of MMM is to change the world, uniting people who share the common goal of breaking the world's unjust financial system, giving us financial freedom. Health is important in everyone's life. How do we help others? The community members donate money to each other pair to pair. MMM advantage: 30% per month for your provide help, 10% referral bonus for help made by people you invited to MMM, your friends, relatives, acquaintance, $20, $50, $100 bonuses for first help, 5% bonus for video after get help. A lot of bonuses from your MMM team. Let your money grow 30% per month. How does it work? Donate 1,000, you will receive Mabro equivalent to the amount you donated. You'll get 1,000 Mabros. Growth rate of Mabro 30% per month. It will continue to grow until you decide to get help from the community. MMM also has this new MMM Extra, wherein your Mabro can grow up to 100%. Sir Sergi Mabrodi, founder and leader of the MMM Social Financial Community. MMM is sure to be his life work but not the only one. He having a degree in mathematics, worked as programmer, and took part in the development of the first operating system. The company he founded was one of leading computer equipment distributors in Russia. He was a deputy of the Russian parliament. Basic roles of MMM. First, understand true ideology of MMM. Donate your donate or contribute your free extra money. Never think it is a business or any MLM. Help other person without any greed. Tell only true ideology to all people. Work with dedication and honesty. Always guide people about roles of MMM. Never misbehave or never cheat anyone. Always tell the truth to participant. Only within you can be succeed. Long live MMM. In your common dreams, cars, house and lot, travel, savings, help other people, church, get out of debt, be one of us. MMM Global Community Social Network for Financial Assistance. Together, we can change the world.